Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Infoanil. So in this video we are going to talk about how we can install the Anaconda in our Windows 10 operating system. So this is actually the objective of this video, how we can install the Anaconda in Windows 10. So without any further delay, let's start the video, and please make sure to watch the video till the end and subscribe this channel for and type here anaconda.com. So when you click on this anaconda.com, you will see a website like this and this kind of logo here. So in this website, in the product categories, select the individual edition. So this is the individual edition. I will click on it. So when you click on this individual edition, the page you will see here like this. There's kind of specifications they have mentioned. So from in here, okay, so here click on download. So this is for Python 3.8, 64 graphical installer, 47 MB. The size of this file is 477 MB. So click on it, download. So the time when you click on download, your download will start here at the bottom. Okay, so this is downloading now. Let's wait for some time. So friends, here we can see the setup is downloaded successfully. Here the setup is downloaded. So open it. So the time when you open it, okay, so this thing will come in front of you like, welcome to the Anaconda 3 2021 5 64-bit setup. So click on next. Here is some policy arguments. Just click on it. I agree. So click on it, I agree. So the next option you will get in front of you is the install for you. Do you want to install for just this profile or for all the users in your system? So I will recommend, so it's totally depend on your choice. I will go with the option just me. So the next thing is the destination folder. You have to select a destination folder. Okay, so you can select any of the folder where you want to install this setup. So click on next. I want to install here users, and okay, so this is basically the important selection. So guys, here you have to make a selection. So like if you have not installed the Python earlier and have not installed the Anaconda earlier, then I will recommend you to check this box and also this box and then click on the install. So but in my case, I have installed the Python already on my system, so I will go with by checking just with this option. So I will check it and click on next. I'm not selecting this option because I have already installed Python in my system. So click on the install and it will start installing the packages. Okay, taking some time. So friends, you can see the installation is completed as because this saying the setup was completed successfully. So when you have this text on your system, click on next. The next button will be enabled. So click on next, and working with the Python and Jupyter notebook, this will thing, and click on next other. So thank you for installing the Anaconda. Here are some useful tips and sources to get started. We recommend you to bookmark these links so that you can back to them later. Anaconda individual getting start. Okay, so click on finish. Hence the installation is completed on our system. So in the search box, type Anaconda. The first option that you will get, Anaconda prompt. So open it. So the time when you open, you will have search, type here conda version to check the version of conda in your system. So when you click on it, okay, so the conda is installed. The version is 4.10.1. So to open the Jupyter notebook, type here Jupyter. Jupyter notebook. Click on it. So when you enter, a Jupyter notebook will be open in your browser automatically. So friends, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.